Hey there guys, getting our lock here. This is going to be an adjustable shackle, and this is going to be the master. Hang on. Doesn't have a number on it, but it's a warded lock. I believe it's a right-handed ward. I don't know what number it is. Just a master lock. It's a laminated padlock, warded, and again, you're going to use one of these 5 magic keys. And stick your key in and pull it out a little bit. Oop. Let's try that again. Stick it all the way in and pull it out. It's not getting it right. This is supposed to be an easy video, but
90 degrees, that's all you gotta do.
Apparently it's not turning into an easy video, it's turning into a hard video. Hang on here. Let's try this again. Stick it in.
Just turn it 90. Right there, stop. Should come off now.
There we go. And there that is. This is all rusted up. There that is. It's a master. I gotta take it easy. I just had gallbladder surgery. So, anyway. As always, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching.